On the banks of a wide, flowing river stood a tall jamun tree filled with sweet, juicy fruits. On this tree lived a clever and cheerful monkey. Every day, he enjoyed the fresh fruits and watched the calm river below, feeling safe and happy in his little world. One day, a hungry crocodile swam near the tree. The monkey noticed him and kindly threw some jamun fruits into the river. The crocodile tasted the fruit and smiled. Soon, the monkey and the crocodile began talking every day and became friends. One evening, the crocodile returned home and told his wife about the delicious fruits. But the crocodile's wife was greedy. She said, "If the monkey eats such sweet fruits every day, his heart must be even sweeter. Bring me the monkey's heart." The crocodile felt uneasy, but slowly greed took over his mind. The next day, the crocodile invited the monkey to visit his home across the river. "My wife wishes to meet you," he said sweetly. The monkey trusted his friend and climbed onto the crocodile's back. Slowly, they moved into the deep river. Halfway across the river, the crocodile suddenly stopped. With a heavy heart, he said, "My wife wants to eat your heart." The monkey was shocked, but he did not panic. Instead, he smiled calmly and thought quickly. The monkey said gently, "Oh dear friend, you should have told me earlier. I left my heart on the jamun tree. Take me back, and I'll give it to you." The foolish crocodile believed him and turned back toward the tree. As soon as they reached the tree, the monkey jumped quickly onto a branch. Looking down, he laughed and said, "You foolish crocodile! Who keeps their heart outside their body?" The crocodile realized his mistake, but it was too late. The monkey learned an important lesson that day. Clever thinking saved his life, but blind trust nearly cost it. From then on, he chose his friends wisely and lived safely on his tree. Moral of the story: don't trust your enemies easily. Wisdom and presence of mind can save your life. One calm evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, a clever fox was walking through a dense forest. The trees stood tall and silent, and the moonlight softly lit the narrow forest path. The fox moved carefully, sniffing the air, alert to every sound around him. Suddenly, thump, 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 a loud, mysterious sound echoed through the forest. The fox froze in fear. What was that? He thought. His heart beat faster as the strange noise came again, carried by the wind. The fox trembled. It must be a monster, he thought. He had never heard such a sound before. Every shadow looked dangerous. The fox wanted to run away, but curiosity slowly crept into his heart. Gathering his courage, the fox whispered to himself, "I cannot stay scared forever. I must find out what this sound is. Slowly and quietly, he followed the sound deeper into the forest. At the edge of the forest clearing, the fox finally saw the source of the sound. It was not a monster at all, but an old drum tied loosely to a tree branch. Whenever the wind blew, the drum hit the tree and made a loud noise. Dum, dum, dum. The fox burst out laughing. All this fear for just a drum, he said. He felt proud that he had faced his fear instead of running away. But just then, he noticed something shining behind the drum. Behind the tree roots, the fox discovered a hidden treasure chest, filled with gold coins and shiny jewels. It seemed someone had hidden the treasure long ago, and the drum was placed there by accident. The fox smiled and thought, if I had run away in fear, I would never have found this. The fox returned home happily, carrying wisdom greater than treasure. He had learned that fear often comes from not knowing the truth. From that day on, whenever the fox heard something strange, he chose courage over fear. Moral of the story: don't be afraid of the unknown. Sometimes, facing your fear leads to wonderful discoveries. In a vast green forest filled with tall trees and flowing rivers, lived a large herd of elephants. They walked proudly through the jungle, enjoying the cool shade and fresh air. Not far away, in a small hole near the elephant path, lived a group of tiny mice. Though small, the mice lived happily and peacefully. Every day, the elephants walked along the same path, right over the mice's homes. The ground shook with every step. Soon, many mouse holes were crushed, and the tiny creatures became frightened. They realized they must do something before it was too late. One brave little mouse stepped forward. Gathering courage, he ran up to the leader elephant and spoke politely. "O mighty king of elephants, your steps are destroying our homes. Please choose another path." The elephant stopped and looked down in surprise. The elephant king smiled kindly and said, "Forgive us, little friend. We did not know. From today, we will take a different path." The mice cheered with joy. Before leaving, the elephant laughed gently and said, "But what help can tiny mice give big elephants?" The mouse replied confidently, "One day, you may need us too." Days later, a hunter entered the forest. He set a strong rope trap to catch elephants. Soon, the elephant king walked into the trap. Snap! The rope tightened around his leg. The elephant tried hard, but he could not free himself. The elephant cried out in pain. Hearing his call, the mice rushed to the spot. They remembered the elephant's kindness and shouted, "Do not worry. we are here." Without wasting time, the mice began gnawing the thick ropes with their sharp teeth. Soon, the rope snapped completely. The elephant was free again. He bowed his head respectfully and said, "Today I have learned a great lesson. Never judge anyone by their size." The mice smiled proudly, knowing friendship has no limits. And so, the forest remembered this lesson forever. No one is too small to help another. True strength comes from kindness and unity. Near the edge of a vast desert lived a gentle and hard-working camel named Kalu. He belonged to a merchant and carried heavy loads across long, dry journeys without complaint. Kalu was loyal, patient, and kind, trusted by everyone. One day, deep inside the forest near the desert, a mighty lion named Raja was badly injured while hunting. Unable to move or hunt, the king of the jungle lay helpless and hungry. A clever jackal and a cunning wolf lived nearby. They approached the injured lion and said, "O king, do not worry. We will bring you food and serve you faithfully." But in their hearts, greed and selfish thoughts were already growing. Meanwhile, the merchant left Kalu the camel behind near the forest to graze. Seeing the injured lion, Kalu felt sympathy and said, "I will stay here and help you until you recover." The lion was touched by the camel's loyalty and promised him safety. Days passed, and food became scarce. The jackal and wolf began whispering among themselves. "The camel is big and healthy," they thought. "If the lion eats him, we can eat the leftovers." Their greed blinded them to loyalty and gratitude. The jackal and wolf approached the lion and said, "O king, we are small and weak. The camel is strong and devoted. He should offer himself to you." The lion hesitated, remembering his promise, but hunger clouded his judgment. When the camel was called, he stepped forward calmly. "I trust my friends," he thought. But in that moment, he realized, too late, that loyalty meant nothing to the greedy. But greed never goes unpunished. Soon after, the injured lion recovered his strength. Seeing the jackal and wolf's true nature, he realized their betrayal. In anger, he chased them away from his kingdom forever. The forest returned to silence. The lion learned that listening to greedy advisors leads to destruction. And the story of the loyal camel lived on as a reminder that greed destroys trust, friendship, and peace. Moral of the story: greed brings destruction. Those who betray trust for selfish gain always face loss in the end. One bright summer morning, the sun shone warmly over a green meadow filled with flowers and tall grass. In this meadow lived a tiny ant and a carefree grasshopper. While the ant worked busily from morning till evening, the grasshopper spent his days singing and dancing happily. The ant worked tirelessly, collecting grains of food and carrying them back to his home. Winter will come soon, he thought. I must prepare now. Even when the sun was hot and the work was hard, the ant never complained. Nearby, the grasshopper laughed and sang joyfully. He played music, jumped from leaf to leaf, and enjoyed every moment of the day. Seeing the ant work so hard, he called out, "Why work so much? Come and sing with me."
The ant stopped for a moment and replied kindly, "You should also store food. Winter is not far away." But the grasshopper laughed and said, "Winter is far away. Let's enjoy today." And he continued singing without worry.
Days passed quickly. The bright green grass slowly turned yellow. The air grew cooler, and the cheerful sounds of summer faded away. Winter was arriving. Soon, winter arrived with cold winds and frost. The grasshopper looked around. There was no food anywhere. He felt cold, weak, and hungry. The joyful songs were gone. Meanwhile, inside his warm home, the ant rested comfortably. His storage was full of food. He was safe because he had worked hard when he had the chance. With no other choice, the grasshopper knocked on the ant's door. He said softly, "I was foolish. I did not prepare. Please help me." The ant listened carefully. The ant replied kindly, "I warned you before. But everyone deserves a chance to learn." He shared his food and gave the grasshopper shelter. The grasshopper promised never to waste time again. Moral of the story: hard work today brings comfort tomorrow. Those who prepare for the future never fear it.
Hello kids, please like and subscribe. Mango